Oh, hello, dear friends. Today I'm going to show you the best tips and tricks that can assist you while you are using Microsoft Office, especially in Microsoft Word. So now I'm going to show you how you can choose the word and style as we have used in a last version like 2007 and 2010. So now let's dig in. We are going to open up Microsoft Word. Okay, after opening our Microsoft Word, we are going to show you how it works. Mostly, if you are going to insert word in the latest version, you see that you do not get this style from the look like from the our previous version. So now let me give you an example. If you type like oh, let me use my name, sorry, or the other name. Okay. You see that if we try to change the style, it's not look like our previous version on our previous version. You see that you do not get the style all 3D locations like the last one. Okay, to get it, we try to use all those 3D locations. Okay, see, this is the only way to get that. So now, but in our previous version, we do not do this. So I'm going to show you how you can change uh, your latest version style to the previous version that you have liked to use. So now we are going to save our documents like this. And go to save as, new browse where to save. Then let me rename as water. Okay. Then save in this type. Word 972 2008. Okay. Then save. After saving, we are going to insert word at in order to see how it look like. Look, it looks amazing. So now let's go to the word. You see that we get our style from previous version. So now this is how we can change our word style look like for the previous version, like 2010 and 2007. So now let's use that name, James A. You can also change your font style and font size to any size you want. You can also bold or italic your rating or text or title. Okay, then press OK. You see that we get a style like from the previous version of Microsoft Word. So now you see it changed like what you like from the previous. So on easy way, this is the way you can just change it. So thank you for watching this video. Keep like, share, comment on what we are showing you if it is helpful. So thank you. See you next.